you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyres should be all set. All right, mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself! Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it!
Kat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko! The water is rising!
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Kat.
No problema.
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
it's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's Garage! You're right, Green! There's a fire! It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. mechanicals. Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it. We need a nice loud Nino sound. All done. Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Nino. That was a Nino, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! What's all that noise? Oh, it's Barry the bus. Looks like he's in a rush. Are you all right, Barry? Oh, you're worried about being late. You're not going to get anywhere like this. Let's take a look at you. Green, could you fetch my best wrench, please? Oh, Green, you're feeling stressed, aren't you? I think we all need to take a deep breath. Let me show you. First, we take a deep breath in. Then, we breathe out. Now you try. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Better? Remember, it's always good to take a deep breath if you're feeling stressed. Bye, Barry. Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's Garage, Fiona. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun, giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage. Hello, Bobby. Oh dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, mechanicals. We need to work together. Thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green.
Gecko's bird watching today. E-I-E-I-O. While Barry and Carrie are out to play. E-I-E-I-O. With a drive here, a drive there. Here a drive, there a drive, everywhere a drive. Now Barry has slipped away. E-I-E-I-O. Barry slipped into the pond. E-I-E-I-O. But Tilly tow truck won't be long. E-I-E-I-O. With a toto here, a toto there. Here a toe, there a toe, everywhere a toto. Now he's safe back on dry land. E-I-E-I-O. Fiona fire truck is outside. E-I-E-I-O. With a sad, sad face she cannot hide. E-I-E-I-O. With a sigh here, a sigh there. Here a sigh, there a sigh, everywhere a sigh. Fiona's hose needs some repair. E-I-E-I-O. Gecko goes to get his wrench. E-I-E-I-O. The water's sprayed and mechanical's drenched. E-I-E-I-O. With a splish splash here, a splash splash there. Here a splish, there a splash, everywhere a splish splash. The problem is solved with Gecko's wrench. E-I-E-I-O. Baby truck is covered in dirt. E-I-E-I-O. To the car wash for a soapy squirt. E-I-E-I-O. With a scrub scrub here, a squirt squirt there. Here a scrub, there a squirt, everywhere a scrub squirt. Now she's sparkly clean again. E-I-E-I-O.
All's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye.